This is a sample around one of your crowns. And it's a tooth that has a porcelain crown on it, which is all porcelain crown, right?
Yes.
So sometimes I contrast different materials on different teeth to see what it's doing to the gums around the teeth. In particular. Is there inflammation in the gums? Is there a problem? Is there an issue that the crown or the material might be creating for the gum health around the tooth? So this is the second sample where I just sampled around a porcelain crown. And as you can see, I had even a hard time, you might have noticed that, hard time even finding anything. Any plaque? Any problem around that tooth? Because you keep your teeth really clean, right?
Yeah.
You try.
I make my own toothpaste with baking soda and coconut oil.
That's brilliant. That's awesome. See, it works, doesn't it? This is evidence that you're doing a really good job, because these large, round cells in here, these are actually skin cells inside your mouth. The gum skin cells. So I go in there and kind of under the gums and try to get some plaque, and inadvertently I get a few skin cells because I'm wiping, I'm scraping along the gum a little bit, right? So this is kind of proof that I was really trying to find something, right? If I scrape
skin.
That's right. A few cells came along with it. This other area is plaque. That's what the bacteria eat. These little smaller round guys are white blood cells, leukocytes, white blood cells. The takeaway here, the bottom line of all of this is, you see in the field, there's no bacteria. You have you're one of the cleanest samples, because there's virtually no bacteria. And this is like the ideal of what we want to see. Just this, no activity out in the field out here. No bacteria running around. And there's another small little area, a little island of plaque. That's what plaque looks like inside your mouth. As you can see, there's no bacteria around it, no bacteria eating it or inside of it. And I'll contrast that with the other sample I took for you. So very, very good, very amazing results here that I'm getting for you on this microscope video sample. There's another skin cell, little white blood cells around there. You're always going to have some white blood cells. So that's a good report. It's a good sign around that material. It's really good for you.
So that was down here?
Yes, that was your porcelain crown.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to stop this and we'll go on to the second sample.